And coming to you live in the 808 state from Skivi's kitchen, we have... What are we making here today, Skivi?
Making Palusami.
Yes. Yeah. What are the main ingredients of this?
This is the thing, guess this.
Yes. And what is that milky consistency?
The milk and the onion, they have to go together.
Okay, you guys saw it. And what are those green things? Is that leaves?
This is the taro leaves.
Where do you get that from?
This is from the store. I don't know who's.
Wait, Skivi, is that from your store?
That's from the Korea store.
Yeah. And then after we pour that in, we wrap it.
Okay, you have to wrap again like this. Okay.
And then.
This is they call Palusami.
Okay, and then where do you put it?
You have to pick this in the umu.
In the umu for how long?
Maybe that's only 45 minutes.
45 minutes, and it come out onalicious.
Oh yeah.
And this is Skivi's job. It's cutting the foil paper. Alright, thank you. That was lessons of how to make palusami from Skivi's kitchen, yeah?
You gotta leave her now because distracting me.
Okay.
Not the number.
Okay, bye.